Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a holiday video for you. It is a Santa Claus puzzle cookie. I don't know if you've seen puzzle cookies or not yet, but they are cookies that are in puzzle pieces, and then when they come together they create the whole picture like a puzzle in cookie form. So I hope this helps you have the holiday spirit and you enjoy.
Told lies. I can only hope that Santa Claus and my records agree. Then maybe this year Santa's coming home to me. I have found the perfect tree and to the nines. I've even made little gingerbread Santas. There's nothing left to chance. This year Santa's coming home to me. Spreading all over town, but of course it's not true. They say Santa ain't coming around. Trust me, I'm waiting up for you, coming down my chimney on Christmas Christmas Day will be side by side to see. This year Santa Claus is coming home to me. Yeah, this year Santa Claus is coming home to me. Just around the corner, coming up just around the bend. Holiday couldn't be here sooner. Holiday for family and friends. And we've got pine tree, pine cone, evergreen, mistletoe, candy cane, Santa Claus, a gingerbread woman and a gingerbread man in a gingerbread house and all. Christmas is just around the corner, coming up just around the bend. Christmas is just around the corner, coming up right down the line. Chestnuts roasting on the burner. Everybody knows it's Christmas time. And we've got Frosty, Rudolph, Snowball, Snowflakes, cookie dough, and that old Scrooge. Firewood, fireplace, sugar plum, jingle bells, and Santa's little helpers too. Christmas is just around the corner, coming up right down the line.
I realized here I had not filmed putting the little belt buckle on, so this is me just kind of doing the movements that I did with the icing for the belt buckle.
Mistletoe, candy cane, Santa Claus, a gingerbread woman and a gingerbread man in a gingerbread house and all. Christmas is just around the corner. Coming up, just around the bend. Look, here comes a holiday for family and friends. Christmas coming just around the Christmas coming just around. Christmas coming just around the bend.
Ho ho ho, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, you know the drill. Hit the like button and the subscribe button if you haven't already. And of course the notification bell so you can make sure you don't miss any videos. I, again, hope you enjoyed this, and let me know in the comments what other kind of cookie decorating you would like to see. And as always, live, love, eat sweets.